how to deposit money in Nationwide. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to go through the steps on how we can deposit money to our Nationwide app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically deposit money, you can also deposit money by depositing check right from your Nationwide application. And in order to do that, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Nationwide application over here. Once you launch the Nationwide app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where first of all you need to make sure to enter the username and the password and log into your account. Now once you log into your account from the Nationwide application or the website, you will see a screenshot that looks like this over here, which I'll place the screenshot somewhere over here. You're going to be able to set that kind of interface where you'll also find the option to deposit the check. So you want to make sure to press on that option. As you do that, it will ask you to scan the check using a camera, or maybe go ahead and then basically take a picture of the check. Once you take a picture of the check and then upload it from here, your bank is going to verify the details, and then after that they will successfully deposit the money or the funds to your account. This way you can deposit money in Nationwide via the check. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.